So if you see it and you start running, it chases you. Like you can really, it's the scariest game I've ever played.
Really?
Yeah.
Not me.
Right, what's the scariest game?
Outlast 2.
Outlast.
Yeah.
Is that a zombie?
Nope. It's about you're a reporter and your wife is a cameraman, and like you're in a helicopter and you're flying over a strange valley, and like the
Are we talking aliens or monsters or
No, it's more like a
war?
No. It's more like a sect.
So religious idiots.
Yeah. Religious, scary drugs thing. Like you're gonna start having hallucinations. It's really scary.
A620 for 1 kilometer. In 600 meters, use the right 2 lanes to take exit 29 for A624 toward Airport Blackbox.
So why didn't you want to bring your computer?
Use the right 2 lanes to take exit 29.
Changed it.
Changed it.
No, I changed the place where it is, and now it's a pain in the ass to move it.
It's silly.
What?
It's silly.
Yeah, but now the place where it is, it's for using it. So.
It doesn't matter where it is, really.
Yeah, it does.
It doesn't. You could have it hanging off the wall, or you could have it on the balcony. You can have it anywhere. Especially if you've got a wired mouse, it means nothing. Just had to drop off Emma's Easter eggs and things. That was Delphine. The family she works for now is right in the middle of Toulouse. It was a bright pain in the arse. I thought it'd be quick. I lost about 45 minutes just. And every time I stop, there's a policeman making me move. I used to have a girlfriend called Zoe.
Really?
Yeah, she wasn't a Renault though. It was Polish Zoe, so it had me Greek.
Oh.
Yeah, the family was Polish. The way you're Irish.
Oh.
Oh, that's a nice paint job. I like that.
Matte.
Yeah.
Shame the car is disgusting.
I didn't say it's a nice car, I said it's a nice paint job. Time we're going to 5:30. What time is it now? It's going to take an hour. Where's that from? Paris? The plane? I don't know it's from Paris. Oh, just the approach route. They're all going to come from there.
You know, North is over there.
No, but it's always the same approach route for the air.
I know.
Except if the wind changes, then they'll come from the other way.
I know. It comes from Paris because it's an Air France.
No, it could be from Bordeaux.
And the two only Air France lines still active here are from Bordeaux, Paris, and
I bet you Lyon.
Yeah, I was thinking.
Well, Leon's a major hub, so I would expect. Hang on, let's have a look.
Maybe Strasbourg. Don't know if they have.
No.
No? Really?
Yeah, Strasbourg's out of the way. The main big airplanes like A320s, which aren't really big, but like they mainly go to Paris or Bordeaux. Little airplanes like ATRs and stuff like that. Regional.
ATRs?
Regional small planes they go to.
Oh, the ones like Ryanair's with the motor at the back?
No, propellers.
Oh,
Oh, Ryanair, so they're all 767, they're all like A320s.
767. Boeing?
Yeah.
Really?
Oh, 737, 73, yeah, 73. Was it 73? I can't remember.
Ryanair uses Boeings?
All just Boeings. That's how low cost save money.
Yeah.
That's what. They have the same planes, absolutely identical. So, like, if one plane breaks down, they'll have, for like a fleet of 70 planes, they'll have one spare. So, like, you don't lose out on anything. If the plane needs to be serviced, it's the same service on each plane.
Yeah.
Pilots only have to be trained on one plane. They're doing more flights than anyone else. So, how's the girlfriend?
Why?
Just asking. You could ask about my wife if you want.
How's Olga doing?
None of your business, Charlie. Keep your bloody nose out or I'll slap you.
Oh, sure.
No, she's fine.
What a surprise.